bro, like imagine falling in there. I could right now. I could fall in there. What's up, YouTube? It just rained. Your boy got all muddy and whatnot. There's this big ditch. It's flowing nice. I got a new mic. Hopefully it sounds good through the water. Dude, the bike feels dialed in the nice weather. Dude, I'm in the mood. It's so nice out, bro. I'm in the mood to speed, bro. I want to go fast. Alright. We're flipping the visor down. We're hitting the roads. We're going quick. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Fuck it. 45 feels scary on it, bitch. Thought that was a cop behind me, bro. Looks like a cop car. The other day I got stopped by a state trooper on the back roads. He was cool though. I was like cruising, probably going like this speed, and I look behind me, bro, and he's right on my fucking bumper. So I slow down, and I slow down to like 5 miles per hour, and I like pull over to the side of the road like this, and I'm hoping he'll just like go around me, you know what I mean, like gets the hint. But he pulls up next to me, and now we're going like 5 miles per hour down the road, and he's in the opposite lane just following me. So I stop. He rolls down his window. He's like, oh shit, what'd he say? He rolls down his window. He's like, you just ride? I'm like, yeah, I'm just riding. He's like, where you stay at? I'm like, oh, up here on the road on the left. He's like, alright, well, you be safe out here. Dude was like probably in his like 20s, maybe 30s. Fucking talking like an old man in his like 60s or 70s. And like in like a southern accent too. Like, as y'all can see, I'm out here in the country. It's not, for one, it's not the South, and two, like, I don't even, bro, it's not the, like, I don't know where he got his accent from, but he was cool. He's a W officer. Smile, you are on camera. I hope so, dude. I hope it's filming, you know what I mean? Ooh, baby, I love you well. Ooh, baby, I love the way you move. Dude, let's pull over and check out my bike. It is fucking smashed. Dude, look how soft it is. It rained a bunch, bro. I can't even sit my bike down. Gosh darn it. It's cooked, though, bro. Look how dirty that shit is. I literally just cleaned it last night. It was spotless. And then I rode through my yard, and I got mud all over my pants, mud all over my ass cheeks, and my back. And my forks are fucking covered in dirt. Alright, let's get back to it, though. Let's get back on the road. Dude, I'm dialed right now. I was dialed for a second right there. Why I feel like he was going so fucking, I feel like that was a cop, yeah, that was that cop roll by shit. Dude, oh, we got it to ourselves. Yay. Alright, let's go explore the woods, boys. First, let's take in this beautiful scenery. Absolutely gorgeous, yeah. Look at that waterfall. That's beautiful. Let's do some wheelies. Do some wheelies in the parking lot. See if we can cook. Oof. Yo, people be getting turned, bro. Got your high noons. Is that a THC drink? Let's check it out. Yeah, bro, they got THC cocktails. Fucking high noons. 1800. Yeah, sound like my kind of party. You know what I mean? Yeah, they seem sketchy. They seem sketchy as hell. Stopped on the bridge, bro. What are y'all doing? Like, fuck, every time. Bro, look, seeing all this water rushing. Beautiful. Dude, look how slow they're driving. Oh, they're stopping. No, they're not stopping. Yeah, they are stopping. I don't know. I'm not sure what they're doing, honestly. Yeah, let's go look at it from the top of the bridge. Okay, be careful, because I almost ate shit going up this. My pussy. My pussy. Bro, they're still driving. They have to be going like 5 miles per hour. Dude, wow, that's crazy. I don't think I've ever seen a water rush like that, honestly. Yeah, I'm just like imagining it, bro. Like, imagine falling in there. I could right now. I could fall in there. I think. I don't know if I'd be able to get out of that or not. Like, I feel like that water is probably rushing hella fast. Look down here. Still some snow on the ground. Yeah, like, I don't know, bro. I don't know, like, if that shit would just suck me under or not. I'm curious. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's moving too fast. I'm definitely not gonna try it, but I'm just curious. I wonder. Cause I mean, like, there's that. It's not moving like crazy fast, but over there is moving fast. So I wonder if, like, I don't really know how water works, honestly. Oh, you could go down there? I don't know if I want to go down there. Fuck it, we're going down there. Oh no, bad idea, bad idea. Yeah, bad idea. Ah. Oh, we're gonna eat shit, huh? Ah. Dude, look at this vine. That's crazy. I didn't even know you could get down here. It's gonna be a fucking pain in the dick trying to get back up. First we got Wong. Oh, this looks fucking delicious. Alright, maybe considering whether I should do sport mode or not. We'll do sport mode. I'm trying to think of, like, what the best path to getting back up is. Probably, like, hit it right here. Okay. Nope. Let's roll back down. We almost had it. Oh. Oh, be careful, big dog. I'm gonna roll into the water. Alright, we almost had it. Just gotta launch it. Oh my god. Dude, there's no way. Bro, e-bikes are sick, dude. They fucking just climb, dude. I swear. This would be the spot to learn circle wheelies with my feet up. Just gotta lock in. Lock in, big dog. You got this. Oh, I was doing it. I was cooking, but that got scary really fast. Alright, yeah, I'm not very good at circle wheelies with my feet up. Those were some dog shit attempts, bruv. Something about that parking lot just like helps you dial in, bro. I don't know. Oh, you know what I want to do? I think I've done it before, but I want to wheelie up out of this bridge right here. I mean, it's like having a playground to myself, bro, as a kid. Except now I got an electric dirt bike instead to also fuck with. All right. Ooh. That was pretty smooth. I say so. Alright, let's see. We gotta think of something challenging to do. Maybe like, we gotta wheelie this whole lot, but we can do it with our foot down, cause alright, that's half. We get around. Now we gotta straighten up. Nope. I don't know. One more try. Third time's the charm. If not, we'll leave it alone. Maybe get a better running start at it. Come on. We'll count it. Fucking shoe's probably cooked from that. Alright, chat. I think that's where we're gonna call it. Back here in these woods, we're gonna call it. Alright, YouTube. That's where your boy's gonna end off the video. It's been fun. It's been real. But it ain't been Israel. Y'all got any questions? Leave them in the comments. Anything y'all like about the video? Also leave it in the comments. Look at my bike one more time. Gorgeous bike. If y'all like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Your boy is out of here.